Okay, let's see how an AI can build a real working mobile app all by itself.
You know that feeling, right? A full fridge, but absolutely no idea what to make. But what if your phone could just solve that for you? That's the idea here. So, this is a story of how a cooking app went from just an idea to reality. First up, from idea to prompt. The first step wasn't writing code, just plain English. This is the prompt they gave an AI assistant inside a tool called Antigravity. So, Antigravity is basically an IDE with the built-in AI coder ready to go. Topic 2, the AI builds the foundation. With the prompt approved, the AI just got to work. It made its own to-do list and then just did it, all automatically. And get this, all of that was done with just one single prompt. That's it. All right, topic 3, testing the first version. Time to actually see the AI's work. And look at that, it worked perfectly. A functional app, just with some placeholder recipes. Next up, topic 4, adding AI vision. This is where things get really interesting. Except, on the first try, it failed. The app couldn't process the photo. So what went wrong? Well, the AI built a feature, but it was missing one crucial piece. It needed something called an API key. Think of it like a password to talk to Google's AI. So they gave the AI the key with a new prompt, telling it to install it securely. And now, topic 5, generating recipes. With the key installed, it was time for the real magic. The AI took one look at the fridge photo and perfectly identified all the ingredients. Then, just one final command was given. Make me my recipes. And just like that, amazing. Custom recipes based only on what the AI could see. Just for fun, they tested a second fridge. This one was a little more sparse. And you know what? The AI still came up with something. A pretty creative cocktail, actually. So think about that, from a simple idea to a functional app in less than 30 minutes. If an app like this can be built in minutes, just imagine what's coming tomorrow.